What matters to you? Let's make a coat of arms. Featuring Christian Robinson and Ms. McCall.
But I was showing folks how to make their own coat of arms, right, Baldwin? Yes. But let's try again. Let's show you how to do it. All right, so follow me into my studio. Okay, so a coat of arms, right? Let's put this here. Here is my coat of arms that I designed. It's kind of like a shield, and on it I have 3 things that kind of represent me. 3 of my favorite things. My favorite animal, which is my dog Baldwin. My favorite thing to do, which is playing video games. And my favorite food, which you might not guess looking at it. Some people think it's cheese or cake, but it's actually cornbread. I really, really love cornbread. It tastes so good, especially with a nice stew or soup. So yeah, 3 of your favorite things. Here's another way to show it. Favorite food, favorite thing to do, and favorite animal. So basically all you have to do is grab a piece of paper, maybe some construction paper, or if you have it, and like kind of cut a shield shape. So what you can do is like kind of almost make one end like a triangle. So you're just kind of cut away, that, and you got it. And then you're going to want to separate this into 3 parts. So let's take a marker and let's draw a line right at the top, kind of in the middle, and then one right in the middle of that, like that. And then remember, you can put your favorite thing, your favorite food, thing to do, and your favorite animal. While we are live with Mac, I designed his coat of arms. It's like this. Mac's favorite thing to do is, of course, read books. He also loves pizza. That's his favorite food. And his favorite animal is Henry, of course. So yeah, I would love to see what you all come up with. Have fun, and please share. Bye.
Hi readers, we just read You Matter by Christian Robinson and then watched Christian Robinson make a coat of arms of his own and explain how to do it. So with this template, I'm inviting you to make your own coat of arms that represents your identity, who you are. Feel free to use this template on white paper to brainstorm your ideas in each category before coming up with your own. You will have time to work on this both today and during your next class, so do not rush this work. I would rather you make something phenomenal to end the year and our time together. For materials, I used construction paper, marker, glue, and scissors. Use what you have available to you. I've sped up this video, so please make sure to pause as needed. First, cut paper into that shield shape to use as the background. You can use plain paper or construction paper in the color of your choice. Next, I'm going to lay out all the pieces that I have made for my 3 categories of favorite food, favorite thing to do, favorite animal. Now, I was inspired by Christian Robinson's use of collage, so instead of just using crayon or marker, I used mostly construction paper and then added little details, which I'm starting to put together right now. For my favorite thing to do, I'm assembling a little record player because when I get home from school, finding records that match the mood that I want to be in is my favorite thing to do. Added a couple music notes there too. My favorite food, especially in the warm summer months, is ice cream. Put it on a cone and add chocolate sprinkles and ooh, I'm happy. Though I may have to go back and add a cherry on top. And finally, for my favorite animal, I usually feature my dog, but I wanted to think outside the box, and so I put together a puffin. I love how they live so remotely and how they both fly and swim, and they just look like they've been around for thousands of years. They just have that ancient look to them. I love them.
Oh, I love it. This is me in a nutshell. I absolutely love this. So I'm next going to glue all the pieces together, and I would love to see what your coat of arms looks like and how it represents you.
You have both today and the next class to work on this coat of arms that's all about you. I hope after you take a picture for Seesaw, you'll also hold on to it and bring it down to the library. I miss having your work in this space and would love to display it at the beginning of next year.